What if I told you that deep cleaning your engine bay doesn't just make your car look better? It can actually unlock hidden performance, prevent expensive breakdowns, and expose dangerous problems before they explode. Here's the shocking truth. 99% of drivers have never deep cleaned their engine bay. And what's hiding under the hood might just blow your mind. This isn't about car show polish. This is about power, protection, and performance. So don't blink, because what you're about to learn could save you thousands. Section 1. Why engine bay cleaning is more than just cosmetic. To the average driver, cleaning the engine bay sounds like vanity, something reserved for car show junkies or obsessive detailers. But the truth is far more practical. Deep cleaning your engine bay can. Reveal oil leaks before they ruin gaskets or damage sensors. Prevent electrical shorts from accumulated grime. Extend the life of belts and hoses by removing corrosive debris. Improve resale value by showing you actually care about your vehicle. According to veteran mechanics at AAA and certified ASE technicians, an engine bay coated in grime traps heat, which accelerates component wear and reduces engine efficiency. Dirt, oil, and even leaves can clog air passages, interfere with moving parts, or damage plastic and rubber components. More importantly, deep cleaning your engine bay gives you the opportunity to visually inspect for issues that are otherwise hidden, like frayed wires, corroded battery terminals, or cracked hoses. In short, it's not just about shine, it's about smart maintenance. Section 2. The psychology behind avoiding it. Why do so few people clean their engine bay? It boils down to fear, misinformation, and habit. Fear. Most drivers think cleaning under the hood is dangerous, that water will fry electronics. But with modern products and proper methods, it's safer than ever. Misinformation. There's a belief that cleaning the engine bay is unnecessary. Some mechanics even discourage it, not because it's bad, but because it reveals things they'd rather fix later at a higher cost. Habit. Out of sight, out of mind. We wash the outside because we see it every day. The engine bay is rarely opened unless there's a problem. This psychology causes neglect, and neglect leads to expensive repairs. Drivers who take the time to clean under the hood are statistically more likely to maintain their car better overall. It's a mindset shift. Once you care about what's hidden, you start protecting your investment. Section 3. Tools and products you actually need. Before you dive in, here's what you actually need. No fancy tools or detailing truck required. Protective gloves and eyewear, safety first. Plastic bags and tape to cover sensitive electronics, battery, air intake, and alternator. Degreaser, choose one that's engine safe. Brands like Gunk or Megiers make excellent non-corrosive options. Soft brushes for scrubbing dirt and grime gently. Microfiber towels for drying and wiping. Garden hose or pressure sprayer, low pressure only. High pressure washers can damage seals. Compressed air, optional, speeds up drying. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars. Most of this can be found at your local auto parts store for under $40. Pro tip from master detailers. Use a water-based dressing afterward for that clean satin finish that also protects plastic and rubber. Section 4. Step-by-step, deep clean process. Here's your full guide, broken into beginner-safe steps. 1. Prep the engine. Make sure the engine is cool. Never clean a hot engine. Remove debris like leaves and sticks by hand. Use plastic bags to cover electrical components. Battery, fuse box, alternator, air filter intake, exposed wiring. Apply degreaser. Spray an engine-safe degreaser generously onto all dirty surfaces. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This breaks down oil and grime. 3. Agitate with a brush. Use soft brushes to scrub areas with built-up dirt. Pay attention to valve covers, engine block surfaces, and around caps and hoses. 4. Rinse with caution. Use a garden hose with low pressure to rinse off the degreaser. Avoid spraying directly at electrical components. 5. Dry the bay. Use microfiber towels to soak up water and gently dry surfaces. Use compressed air to blow out hard-to-reach spots. Optional. 6. Apply dressing. Use a water-based dressing on plastic and rubber components to restore shine and prevent cracking. 7. Remove bags and reconnect. Take off protective covers. Check for any missed water. and let the car idle for 5 to 10 minutes to evaporate moisture. Section 5. What you'll discover after a deep clean. Here's where it gets interesting. Once your engine bay is clean, you'll likely notice things you hadn't seen before. Oil seepage, small leaks around valve covers or oil pans, battery corrosion, blue-green buildup at terminals, worn belts, cracks or fraying that were hidden by dirt, cracked hoses, especially those carrying coolant or vacuum pressure, loose or damaged wires. Spotting these early can prevent complete failures later. For instance, fixing a $15 cracked hose now can save you from a $1,200 engine overheat. Visual inspection is one of the most powerful maintenance tools, but it's useless when your engine is buried under grime. Section 6. Common mistakes and what not to do. Even pros make mistakes. Here are the biggest ones to avoid. Spraying high-pressure water can force moisture into connectors and seals. Not covering electronics. A few minutes of prep can save thousands in repairs. Using harsh chemicals. Avoid cleaners with solvents or acids. They can damage paint, plastic, and wiring. Cleaning when engine is hot. Sudden temperature changes can crack components. Overusing dressing products. Too much can become sticky and attract more dirt. Stay safe, stay smart, and take your time. Section 7. What experts say. We reached out to veteran mechanics, auto detailers, and even service advisors to ask, is deep cleaning the engine bay worth it? Here's what they said. Gail Banks, diesel expert. You can tell how a car's been treated just by popping the hood. Clean engine bays run better, and owners catch problems sooner. Chris Fix, YouTube mechanic. I always recommend cleaning the engine bay once or twice a year. It's how I spot potential issues before they blow up. Napa certified technician. When a car comes in with a clean engine bay, it makes diagnosis faster and cheaper, and it shows us the owner is serious. Section 8. Maintenance benefits you didn't expect. Besides spotting leaks and reducing wear, deep cleaning your engine bay can improve fuel economy. Cleaner sensors and better cooling can boost efficiency slightly. Increase resale value. A clean engine bay can add hundreds to the sale price. Improve engine cooling. Less grime equals better airflow equals cooler operation. Reduce engine fire risk. Oil and leaves can catch fire under high temperatures. These are real, tangible benefits, not just aesthetics. Section 9. When to clean. So how often should you deep clean your engine bay? Once every 6 to 12 months for normal drivers. More often if you drive in dusty, muddy, or coastal environments. After oil leaks or major engine repairs. Avoid doing it in freezing weather or extreme heat. So what happens when you deep clean your engine bay? You don't just get a pretty motor, you get clarity, safety, longevity, and peace of mind. You spot hidden problems before they become disasters. You make your engine run cooler, cleaner, and longer. And you do what 99% of drivers never bother to do. Treat your car like it deserves. Now we want to hear from you. Have you ever deep cleaned your engine bay? What did you discover? Or are you planning to do it for the first time after watching this? Drop your answer in the comments. Your story could save another driver from a $2,000 mistake. And if this video helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real-world car care tips from the pros. Because sometimes, the dirtiest secrets hide right under the hood.